You have to think out of the box in order to find the solution.
You might not know everything, but everything is there if you know how to look for it.
Cancer, I think as it's recognized now, is not one big disease. It's lots of much smaller divided diseases. And as we break these diseases and we start to understand the different types of cancer better, what all is wrong with them at the molecular level, then we get better ideas about how to tackle them. Granted, we have a long way to go, but even curing 10% of the cancers is a huge step forward.
I always feel like my work has meaning. I always feel like I'm contributing to something, even if whatever I'm working on at the moment doesn't turn out to be part of some amazing scientific breakthrough. What I'm doing is I'm laying the foundation for somebody else to stand on my shoulders and reach that foundation. There's always a sense that you're building towards something great, even if you don't get there yourself. Somebody else in the field will come across something that will be the next way to cure cancer, or the next way to push further and get even more data analyzed so that we can come to these scientific breakthroughs. I ended up in bioinformatics almost by accident. I took my first programming class and I thought, you know what, this is really awesome. But I was also really interested in biology, and I want to apply my computing skills to something that's worthwhile.
Every day seems to be different, which is one of the things I love about my job. We work in very collaborative environments, and I think one of the things that's fun about a job is the fact that we have so many different people with so many different ideas, and learning how to not only engage all of these people but actually put all their great ideas into practice makes for just a fun day all around.
We sequence the tumor samples from patients and the normal samples from patients, and we're trying to figure out what the differences are between the tumor samples and the normal samples. So we do that by DNA sequencing. So you probably heard about the Human Genome Project about 14 years ago, around the turn of the century. And what that's done is set out a reference for what a quote-unquote normal human should have in their genome. And so now what we're doing is we're comparing all of these cancer genomes and all of these people's normal genomes to that reference and coming up with differences between them.
Prolonging the lifespan of a person, even with days or hours, it's a big thing. It's a beautiful field. It's a very, very nice field to work as a researcher in the cancer. I see from the eyes. You're going to become one.